Hey everybody, welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. So today we are going to do something that I haven't ever done in Mama Z's before. We're making gluten-free macadamia nut cookies. So before we get started on today's video, be sure and give me a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe. Alright, let's get started on today's video. So we have recently been experimenting with some gluten-free recipes. We think my daughter may have a gluten sensitivity. We're not sure that she actually has celiac disease, but we're noticing when she eats bread products or stuff like that, she gets nauseated. So I wanted to try to make something that she could eat for a snack. So we're going to do this today. And if this is something that you like or you have any tips for us, please comment in the comment section below. I would love to know your ideas because we're clueless. So I found this recipe online. I will try to credit the author down below. I don't have that information in front of me, but I will look it up when I get back on the laptop and be sure and credit the author in the description below. So let's get started. First thing we want to do, I've got 3/4 of a cup of white and brown sugar. We're going to put in our bowl, and a stick of butter that I have softened, and we're going to cream those up real quick. I've been heating up to 325. Okay, to this I'm going to add a teaspoon and a half of vanilla. I'm going to add 2 eggs, and we're going to mix that, and then we're going to add our dry ingredients. Okay, so the flour we're using, I picked up at our local grocery store. It's called Just About All-Purpose Gluten-Free Baking Powder. I will find a link on my Amazon affiliate link if you want to buy this on Amazon. And today is the last day of Prime Day when this video is coming out. So maybe you can get a good deal on it. So I'll be sure to link that in the description down below. Alright, so now we are going to start adding our flour. I'm also adding some salt and some baking powder. Or sorry, baking soda, not powder. And then I'm going to slowly start adding the baking mix. I'm just going to add a little at a time. We're going to mix it in, and then when we get all that incorporated, we'll add our other stuff. Alright, so now we are going to add, and I've got some organic chocolate baking, white chocolate bits. My scissors. I know where my scissors are at.
Knife box.
In the ice box.
Knife.
In the knife box. She said knife box, not ice box. That's a blooper. Alright. It calls for 7 ounces, so that's nearly a full bag. I'm kind of eyeballing it. Alright. Then we're going to add some toasted macadamia nuts. And I'm just going to fold these in. If I can keep everything in the bowl. Now the recipe says that once you form these in a bowl, it takes about 10 minutes in the oven. Like I've told y'all before, my oven bakes a little hot, but so I'll keep a close eye on these to make sure that they turn out okay. All right, so I'm gonna take my little scooper. It tastes like cookie dough. I'm not afraid to eat cookie dough. In my 47 years, it's never made me sick, knock on wood. All right, and we're just gonna scoop these out and put them on our cookie sheet. But that's not a recommendation. Nobody try that at home and say, Mama Z said it was okay to eat cookie dough. Is that one of those don't do as I do things? Probably so. Okay, we're gonna pop these in the oven for 10 minutes and we'll see you back here. All right, we've got our first batch out of the oven. Okay. These turned out really good. They're soft and chewy. You cannot tell any difference. So I would say give these a try. You know, if you're trying to give up gluten, I'd give these a try. I think my daughter is really going to like these. So I would definitely give these a try. Gluten-free white chocolate and macadamia nut cookies. Thank you for joining us today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. See you on the next video.